You buy perfect seeds, dig beds, and water daily. Then, almost overnight, your lush green seedlings yellow, wilt, and collapse into dry dirt. This rapid loss breaks the spirit of countless beginners like Emily from North Carolina, who quickly found herself paralyzed by the sheer volume of choices. Knowing what to plant is easy. Knowing exactly when and where to plant it is overwhelming. Culturally, we brush this off by claiming someone lacks a green thumb, as if gardening requires an innate magical talent you are either born with or you aren't. That myth hides the reality. Early garden failure isn't a lack of talent. It is a predictable, systemic collapse caused by an unmanaged overload of environmental variables. A backyard garden is actually a highly complex data ecosystem. Survival depends on managing hyperlocal microclimates, exact frost schedules, and strict spatial constraints. The platform You Plant It was built to solve this exact equation. It takes that chaotic environmental data and translates it into a linear, step-by-step operating procedure. You simply input your basic location into the app. The system handles the complex variables, instantly generating a custom-tailored seasonal roadmap for your exact zip code. Shifting away from instinct-based guessing and adopting data-driven management removes the friction of failure for the amateur grower. The most common cause of crop death is the timing trap. Miscalculating a planting window by a single week can easily expose a vulnerable crop to a lethal late-season frost. This timeline mitigates that risk. By cross-referencing your hardiness zone, like Zone 6A here, it generates precise planting blocks. It also integrates live meteorological threats. If freezing temperatures appear, you receive immediate alerts with explicit protection tips to prevent catastrophic losses. This tracking card automates the indoor germination countdown. It monitors exactly how old your seedlings are and sends a push alert so you never miss the critical window to transplant them outside. Perfectly timed, localized execution is the first non-negotiable pillar of engineering a surviving ecosystem. The second major variable of failure is improper spatial placement, which starves plants through inadequate sunlight or competing root systems. This satellite map uses solar path data to trace the sun's trajectory over your specific property, calculating the literal sunlight hours hitting exact coordinates in your backyard. This panel for a custom med takes those 11.3 hours of full sun and explicitly dictates what will thrive there. Notice the red warning to avoid shade-loving crops like lettuce, which would bolt and die in that intense heat. This companion matrix illustrates biological strategy. It shows you how placing symbiotic plants together, like basil next to tomatoes, acts as a natural pest deterrent against hornworms. Utilizing spatial data and biological partnerships allows a grower to build a resilient garden where every plant supports the survival of the next. Eventually, every grower faces a mid-season crisis. An unidentified disease spots the leaves, or a hungry insect begins rapidly consuming a previously healthy crop. This is the AI plant doctor interface. Instead of spending hours in panicked internet research, you drop a photo of the sick plant right here, and the system delivers an instant diagnostic protocol and treatment recommendation. This journal entry logs your interventions alongside real-time weather conditions. By capturing readings like 100% humidity, you can track the exact environmental triggers of your plant's stress. Combining instant diagnostics with localized historical tracking turns an acute mid-season failure into long-term institutional knowledge. Careful data management throughout the spring and summer eventually leads to the final stage of the season, a massive, tangible output. This season dashboard treats your garden as a measurable system. It allows you to track your exact return on investment in hard numbers, capturing the 19 pounds you harvested and equating it to nearly $200 in local market value. Seeing the season distilled in weight and value provides the one thing a beginner lacks: objective proof that their efforts actually yielded a result. An optimized garden creates one final paradoxical challenge: producing significantly more fresh food than one household can consume before it inevitably rots. This is the Farm Network feature. It operates as a logistical routing system, connecting your hyper-local surplus directly to community organizations like FoodShare and Operation Fuel. This drop-down menu lets you filter those connections based on specific community needs. You can bypass organizational red tape and quickly get fresh food into the hands of those who need it most. By utilizing data to eliminate the anxiety of failure, Technology ultimately restores the true human magic of gardening, the ability to confidently grow, harvest, and share life with your community.